So ladies and gents, we move on now to our final session. And this is all about the value of storytelling. So we're going to invite to the stage AHMAD CHATILA, Director of Brand and Communication from HungerStation. Welcome, AHMAD. So with the increase in AI and data analytics tools, it's becoming increasingly easy to lose emotion and to lose that authenticity. So in this session, we'll explore the value of storytelling using AI to increase consumer engagement, to increase the trust and the connection versus the loss of human connection and emotion. So this is going to be a fantastic look at this and a great way to end this conference today. So looking at how it's going to evolve to have a human-centered approach to AI and ensure that technology is developed, keeping the empathy, the emotion, and the remains unbiased. So AHMAD brings over 17 years of experience in brand building, in strategic marketing, campaign management, and MarTech, and he's formerly senior marketing manager for Samsung, managing marketing activities for Samsung Mobile in the KSA area. And he's passionate for everything related to creativity, to tech, digital transformation and coaching. And he holds a master's in digital transformation and a bachelor's degree in marketing as well. So welcome, AHMAD. Looking forward to this.
Thank you. Thank you. It's a very nice introduction. Thank you. Thank you very much. So now, since we set apart that AI is not taking our jobs and it's not taking over the world, we're going to jump into storytelling. And this is our session for today. Storytelling is not only about content creation, it's also about brand building, it's also about creating concepts, it's also about creativity in general, and this is where we need to dive into and head our discussion for today. So before setting into our session, I would like to ask a very fundamental question, thank you very much, which is, what makes a brilliant storyteller? And I think most of us are coming from a creative background and a media background. So I would like to just ask this question for the audience to hear some thoughts about this. Any thoughts? Please. Connecting emotionally, definitely. Any other thoughts as well? Variety. Knowing the audience is very important. Exactly. Good point as well. Sorry, I didn't hear your answer. So just dividing and making sure that there is a proper scenario and a proper pitch for this as well. Okay, I think we covered most of them. So a good storyteller is a good listener to start with. He is charismatic, he's relatable, he knows his audience as mentioned before, and he's able to engage, he's able to interact. He's empathetic as well, he knows how to play on emotions and he knows how to make sure that he's in the right direction. He can also read body language, which is very important for storytelling. And you notice a lot of storytellers make sure that they are engaging exactly with their audience. They are increasing their pitch, they are decreasing in their pitch sometimes, and making sure that they are 100% engaged with what they are saying. But if you can summarize everything with what was mentioned, it's a human at the end of the day. So a storyteller needs to be a true human in order to interact exactly with the consumers. And this brings us to the essence of storytelling. So the essence of storytelling is actually building an emotional connection with our consumers in order to have some kind of a loyalty. So as soon as we trust the brand, we are more loyal, we are more engaging, and at the end of the day, we are investing. And this is the essence of storytelling. And how is this all relating to AI? Of course, everyone now is jumping into AI and jumping into AI not only in creating content, but as well in researching, in creating concepts, and as well making sure that we are on track in terms of our marketing day to day. So the question is, can AI excel in storytelling? This is a common question, and I think it was tackled in the previous panels and the previous sessions as well, and this is what we are going to explore today. If you want to compare marketeers to AI, there's different characteristics that differentiate each from each other. So humans or marketeers in general have the sense of creativity, which still a disadvantage for AI at the moment. They are more contextual and cultural relevant. So when they are creating a concept or when they are creating a story, in general, they can relate to specific cultural events that is not relevant to a specific machine or AI. Even after machine learning, I'm sure that it's still lagging at the moment. Humanization and tone of voice of the brand, which is very important. Creating an AI script from a machine will lack a tone of voice. And this is what we're lacking in marketing in general, which is having a specific and a unique tone of voice, which need to be set by the marketeers and mentioned previously, which is being human in general. On the other hand, speed for the AI, definitely they can finish everything in minutes. They can write a full calendar of a social media calendar before even typing the word social media calendar. Scalability, which is very important, and this is actually the essence of AI, which is scalability. They can translate hundreds of scripts into different languages. They can even change a video from English to Russian in seconds. I think this is where they are excelling at the moment. And personalization. And I'm not talking about personalization, which is specifically adding a name to a CRM message. Personalization is beyond this, which is technically targeting exactly the needs and the consumer behavior of this segment and then targeting them with the proper message and with the proper ads. So if you would like to divide, definitely there's still some disadvantages with the AI side, but at the moment we need to work hand in hand in order to achieve a better marketing campaign. So what are the next generation AI bringing to storytelling in general? The rise of emotional AI, which is machine learning to understand and respond to human emotions. And I think it was mentioned in the previous sessions as well. So they need to recognize more our facial expressions in order to have a better storytelling, and it's being advanced at the moment. Second is integrating generative AI with AR, which is augmented reality, and expected to enhance the creation. Imagine all of the storytelling being done on a different level, not only in a face-to-face or a video format, but on the next level of format as well. And the last, which is machine learning and the learning of human, which is not basically the basic human, but also the cultural values and the cultural relevancy of the humans as well. So in order to just summarize everything, scaling up with a human touch, ensuring brand tone of voice is adhered, utilize AI with a human-centric approach, and personalize content with an amplified targeting. I would like to also share with you our case study that was done in 2023 for the subconscious order. Subconscious order, I'm going to leave the case to explain itself. I think it's a self-explanatory case. But we were proud to achieve a Cannes Grand Prix in Cannes Lions last year, and we were the first Saudi brand to achieve this level. I'm going to leave it to the case to explain itself.
They say the eyes eat before the mouth can taste, telling the brain deliciousness is on its way. But why do we burn our head out with countless hours of mind-numbing scrolling as it goes through menu after menu every day? 132 hours a year to be precise. Psychologists call it choice overload, a state when the brain is faced with an overwhelming number of options and struggles to make a decision, often ending up making the wrong call. HungerStation, the leading food delivery app and spicy innovator, wanted to ease this pressure and help people make the right choice with a smarter way to order, using the power of the subconscious mind. The first ever online food delivery order placed by your subconscious mind. Because it's way more powerful and can process things 500,000 times faster than the conscious mind. We decided to let it do the ordering. A feature on the HungerStation app recognizes you've been hopelessly scrolling and launches the intuitive tool. A number of mouth-watering cuisines are displayed as the camera meticulously tracks the eye's interest using advanced algorithms and the front-facing camera. A smart AI uses proprietary food topic modeling to narrow down the options and presents a data report of what the eye concentrated on the most, or what the subconscious mind is craving, giving the user a list of relevant restaurants to order from. This innovative and intelligent feature caught the eyes of the media. We even mirrored the experience on social media, giving every Saudi the opportunity to harness the power of their subconscious. And soon, subconscious ordering became a thing, leaving us with a banquet of new data for more accurate and personal targeting in the future. By helping Saudis awaken their subconscious mind to ordering the food they love, we gained a cozy corner in their conscious mind for years to come.
Thank you. Another campaign as well we did with our partners VML was the tip times. Tip time wasn't based specifically on AI, but it was heavily based on emotional connection with technology as well, which we were discussing in the previous slides. I'm going to leave the case to explain itself as well.
We all have the tendency to constantly follow up with riders and push them to deliver ahead of time. But most of us don't realize how much pressure this puts on riders, making them vulnerable on the roads. As the biggest food delivery app aggregator in Saudi, with the largest fleet, HungerStation felt a responsibility towards riders everywhere. Introducing Tip with Time. Because you can't put a price to life, we swapped the existing tipping with money function within the app for tipping with time, a simple modification on the HungerStation app that can trigger behavioral change towards rider safety, easing the pressure on them to deliver fast. Initiated by a simple push notification to all our 2 million active users, people were encouraged to tip with time. With every tip, riders received a notification that showed the extra time they had to deliver, letting them ride safely and peacefully. Supported by our in-app banners and social media platforms, our initiative to give time found time in the media. With zero development cost, and just some of our time, we were tipped generously.
Yes, money is important, but so is safety. How will you enjoy if something happened to you?
Having this extra time is a blessing. I am more relaxed on the road.
Tip with time. It's time we keep delivery riders safe on our roads.
And that's it for today. Thank you very much.